Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama, Tenzin Gyatso, will celebrate his 90th birthday on July 6, 2025. This is a very significant milestone, and celebrations are already underway and planned globally. The Central Tibetan Administration, CTA, has announced that the year leading up to his birthday, July 6, 2025, to July 5, 2026, will be observed as the Year of Compassion to honor his life and teachings. Here's what we know about the celebrations. Main celebrations in Dharamshala. His Holiness is expected to celebrate his 90th birthday in Dharamshala, India, which has been his home in exile for many decades. Global events. Various Tibetan associations, Buddhist centers, and organizations worldwide are organizing events to commemorate this special occasion. These include interfaith gatherings, cultural performances, and initiatives aimed at spreading his message of compassion, peace, and universal responsibility. Year of Compassion campaign. The International Campaign for Tibet, ICT, has launched the Compassion Rising World Tour 2025 as part of the Year of Compassion to highlight the Dalai Lama's efforts and inspire acts of compassion globally. Focus on his legacy. The celebrations will not only mark his longevity but also reflect on his lifelong dedication to promoting peace, interfaith harmony, human values, and the Tibetan cause through non-violence. Succession discussions. As His Holiness approaches this advanced age, there is also anticipation around discussions regarding his succession, which is a matter of great importance for the future of Tibetan Buddhism. The Dalai Lama himself has indicated he will make a clear plan for his successor. Overall, His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama's 90th birthday in 2025 is a momentous occasion that will be celebrated by millions around the world who deeply respect and admire his spiritual leadership and tireless work for humanity.